Sa buhatan ni Governor Pambari IV, nag-courtesy visit ang Philippine Army 3rd Infantry Division, pinanguluhan sa bagong installed commander sa Joint Task Force Group, Colonel John Oliver Gabun. Ato sa courtesy visit, gihisgutan ang pagtinabangay aron mamintinar ang kahapsay ug kalinaw sa Sugbo ingon man ang disaster preparedness. Giklaro sa gobernador ang iyang hingpit nga suporta sa kasundaluhan. Sa courtesy visit ni tambong usab sila si Provincial Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office Chief Dines Francis Pastor ug Assistant Provincial Administrator Aldwin Empasis. Sa laing bahin si Governor Pambari IV ni tambong sa flag raising ceremony sa Police Regional Office 7 isip special guest of honor.
And do I need to tell you something that you have already achieved? I just want to tell you, keep up the good job. Yeah. Well done, everyone. Thank you very much. I have been talking about good governance, transparency, anti-corruption, accountability. But you know, at the end of the day, the goal is simple: safety and security. The success of my administration and the progress of Cebu also lies in your hands, because safety and security is very vital for the progress of our province. So maura na akong hangyo kaninyong tanan na duyugi ko ninyo, kuyugi ko ninyo sa atong pagpalambo sa atong probinsya. I will do my part, and please do also your part, and know that I will take care of you. Because after all, that's what a leader should do. Take care of those in charge. And I also believe that good governance always start with listening to the people. So, dili angay makadlok kay di mo kumamiraog.
Ako si Monching Auxtero, manginlabot ug magpakabana tungod kay ato ang Cebu.